Hello, YouTube. I had a couple of things to show you. This one, you're welcome. Thank you is crossed out. Debbie, some metals are more precious than others. Scrapping. This is from Scrapping Hording Tinkering Fun. And check out those beauties right there. All those little tabs. I love it. You guys are awesome. Is that like Mountain Dew? The green ones? What came out of the green? I've never seen the green ones. Look at this. Green and orange. Let me grab. Oh, black too. Oh, that's Monster. That's Monster drink. Monster something. I'm a Gatorade girl. I'm like Gatorade and little cans of Starbucks get me through the day. This is awesome. Hang on. Check it out. I'm gonna add them to the bag. Scrapping Hording Tinkering Fun. Thank you so much. Yeah, I've been bugging guys at work to save these for me, and they've done a decent job. But like this is incredible. I love you guys, and I just hit 400 subscribers. Thank you. 400 people want to listen to me. I don't get it. You know, I wouldn't be here without D-Wings World and Crispy Kiwi and Rob Random, Searching for Silver 777. That's how my YouTube career started. And this is incredible. I can't do this by myself. This is you guys. This is all you guys. And it's amazing. Yeah. I appreciate it so much. And I am getting a little greedy. I want this bag full before I turn it in. And even with my little stash, it's not going to make a dent. It's not going to make a dent compared to what you guys sent me. So, this is incredible. This is huge. This is a gallon bag. This is a gallon-sized bag, and it's half full. And that's all because of you guys. Just blows me away. You know, 400 subscribers blows me away too, but this, Kids for Cancer, Brady's Buggy, this is wonderful. This means more to me than really anything else. Alright, so before I tear up and have to end this video and start over again, I worked out a deal with Danny Thompson. I've mentioned him before. He's on OfferUp and Let Go. And basically what happened is he offered me 20 eagles at $1 over spot. So this is a variety of these 20 American eagles at $16 each, which is incredible. Yeah, I know he has so much more to sell and trade, and if anybody wants his information, I will absolutely give it over. He's given me the permission to do that. But this is 20 American Eagles, and they were $16 each, and they're a variety of years. It's 2014. Can you see that? I hope so. I think that's 14 as well. Is that a 14? 15? Hello. You can see better than I can. I'm getting blinded. The light coming off of these is incredible. 2018. I need to get my sunglasses. I have my welder's helmet. Something. All these beautiful eagles. And on top of that, he knows how much I love my Ike dollars. So he included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Ike dollars. All proof. Beautiful bicentennial. Another bicentennial. Another bicentennial. Oh, my case is too big. Alright, that's weird. The case is exactly the same size, but somehow this coin is smaller. This doesn't rattle. This one does. I have to check that out. Why would it be smaller? Maybe they used the wrong stuff. It's clad, it's not silver, but something's different. This one is definitely smaller than this one. This one makes no noise, right? You don't hear anything. That makes noise. There's something different there. Alright, let's put that to the side. We'll check that out. That makes noise as well. And from what I can tell, it's exactly the same size. It's another bicentennial. See, this one doesn't make any noise. Oh, nothing. It's not rattling in there. Making a mess. This one is. This one's rattling away. I'm gonna have to get out my scale. And so is this. But they all seem, they're exactly the same size. I don't understand. That rattles. That doesn't. You put them together and they feel exactly the same. I know a millimeter is more than a hair. So if this is 39, this is 40, I should be able to tell the difference just by feeling it on the side. This is very odd. I know Rick has gotten a bunch of odd coins like this. They didn't weigh correctly, or they just didn't feel right or sound right. And that does not sound right. Alright, so I have 4 coins to check out. I'm dropping them, beating them up. I have 4 coins to check out to see what's going on with those. Back to the Eagles. 2014. 2014. Yeah, Danny said these would be a variety of years, but mostly 14, 15, 16, which is fine. I mean, an American Eagle for $16 is awesome. You know, $1 over spot is a great deal, no matter what you're buying. And I do try to stay as close as I can to spot. You know, why wouldn't everybody? Yeah, I'm a stacker. I'm a collector, but I'm also a stacker, and that makes a difference. So even though these are in beautiful little plastic cases, and they're going to stay that way, I consider this part of my stack, not part of my collection, if that makes sense. The pandas, the wet dragons, those are collection. Slab coins, which I have a grand total of 4 now, that's collection. This is stack. Alright. So, that's it for now. And until later, keep stacking.